What's up guys, Tom. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get over the fear on being on camera. Okay, guys, I remember my videos when I used to started like many years ago. It was bad, guys. Okay, we all got to start somewhere. All you gotta do is practice, guys. Okay, I know it sounds quite difficult to do, but there was this saying, and I'm gonna go and share this with you guys, is that a person that spends 10,000 hours towards a specific skill set is just naturally just gonna get better at doing. Okay, so the key strategies that I'm gonna go and share with you guys in terms of how to get over the fear of being on camera is to practice. Okay, your first video is gonna suck, guys. My first video was crap, guys. When you guys go towards my YouTube channel, you guys sort it towards like old videos, you guys get the videos that I just posted on there, like on those old videos, it was bad, guys. Okay, like we all got to start somewhere in terms of doing videos and stuff. So when it comes towards doing it, the key here is to practice. Okay, start doing 1-minute videos. Okay, it doesn't have to be like super long at first. Just start off with doing 1-minute video and just literally be in the mindset of what you can share towards the world. Something valuable, something that you can go and share where can be a huge impact in other people's lives, guys. Okay, right now I'm just like outside right now, just doing some some daily walking routines, because there's something about like walking in nature on a daily basis is really good for the mind, and it's really good for your eyesight too, because we marketers, we tend to just like stare at the computer screens all day, and it's not good for you. You know what I mean? So consistently find like stuff that you guys can go walk around and do. You guys can go and do your videos by doing that too. So I highly suggest that you start to practice. Start creating like I would say like 10 videos, and you're gonna notice that one of your videos is gonna be better. The more videos you put out there, the more videos that you do, you're just gonna naturally get better at doing. So the key here is to practice. Spend as much time as you can possibly can just creating 1-minute videos on a consistent basis, and you're gonna just notice that you're just gonna be a natural at doing this. Okay, but the key here is to do. Okay, the key here is to do, and literally start doing that literally right now. So you're just gonna go and get better at when it comes towards doing your skill sets and getting out of the fear of doing videos. Okay, at first you're just gonna be kind of like don't overthink about it, just do it, and then from there you're just gonna notice that, compare your other videos from like 10 different videos, and you're just gonna notice that you're just gonna get a lot better, guys. Okay, and I just wanted to go and share that literally with you guys. Hopefully you guys got some great ideas from this video, and from there I'm gonna go and continuously sharing you guys more other stuff too. Make sure you guys go and subscribe towards this YouTube channel, comment below this video if you guys are liking this, and I'm gonna go and consistently share you guys even more strategies in terms of optimizing your life and just how it is, guys. Just wanted to say is that thank you so much for watching from this video from the beginning to the end. See you guys in the next video.